In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Betterhelp discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you have to search for Betterhelp discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called retrieve.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% off first month, all you need to do is select copy code from right here, and this is your promo code. You can copy this code and apply this one in order to get this 10% discount off your first month. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called couponchief.com. And as you can see right here, we have this list of promo codes. For example, if I want to get this 20% off any first month plan, all I need to do is select get promo code from right here. And this is the promo code. I can copy this discount code and apply this one in order to get this 20% off my first month. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.